morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is December 18th, 1 week away from Christmas. The markets are relatively quiet, grain markets anyway. Corn unchanged overnight. Beans up a little bit, up about 3 cents. Wheat market down just a touch, so very, very light volume. We are getting into this holiday trade type mentality with that volume that stays relatively light. So expect that here as we go through this week and probably through next week as well. So, but very, very light movement. Waiting to see what happens here around 8 o'clock, whether or not we get additional sales. Seems like the bean market's still trying to find some support around this $9 area as we continue to kind of expect to see further sales for beans. We need to be careful with that. We didn't get any sales yesterday. We may or may not get any here today. We'll have to wait and see. The Chinese president had a speech last night that he gave. And the only thing I could tell you from that is that, basically he said he's not going to back down. And so that kind of can build a little bit of tension if we end up seeing some kind of backlash here today. And so it seems like one day there's tension, next day we're shaking hands, and the media right now is that important that we need to continue to watch and continue to focus on. So any kind of news stories that are out, that's where things get a little bit different. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that here this morning. Crude oil breaking below $50 a barrel, down $1.15 right now. That has got the markets right now on edge, and hoping we could have seen some support around $50. We are now below that. Do we remain that way? If so, we may get some further selling as we go through the rest of this year as well in the next week, week and a half. So very negative move here for crude oil. But we'll see what kind of recovery we can get. We do have a recovery in natural gas. We've seen a heck of a slide here with warmer temps in the forecast, but now pretty decent bounce here this morning, up 16, 17 cents. And we'll see if that can hold here today too. But give us a call if you have any questions. We're always here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have yourselves a great day. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.